Pakistani restaurant in Chowkit, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is very closer to the GOKL free bus stop. Once get down at the GOKL free bus stop at Chowkit, just walking distance to this Pakistani restaurant area in Chowkit. Otherwise, can come by the monorail also. Monorail train station got in Chowkit. So once get down at the monorail train station, I think it's walking distance only because Chowkit is all very closer like that. Otherwise, normal buses also available. Actually, the transport system is very easy to reach this place. This area is actually familiar for a lot of Pakistani restaurants and food. You can see this place like many Pakistani restaurants over that side. If we want to just really experience the Pakistani food, then this is the best option in Chowkit. Just come to Chowkit and you will get many options, many different kind of Pakistani food dishes. So this place is much better to try the Pakistani food experience in Kuala Lumpur.